Hey there, Roblox enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many of you might have encountered while trying to play your favorite games on Roblox. That's right, we're talking about error code 403. Now, before we get started, let's quickly break down what error code 403 actually is. Essentially, it's a message that pops up when Roblox servers deny access to a user due to various reasons. But fear not, because we've got some solutions to help you get back into the game in no time. The first thing you'll want to try is to simply refresh the page or restart your game. Sometimes, error code 403 can be a temporary hiccup caused by a glitch or a momentary issue with your connection. If refreshing doesn't do the trick, then it's time to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable and reliable network. You can also try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using a wired connection for a more stable experience. Another common cause of error code 403 is browser or device compatibility issues. Ensure that you're using a supported browser and that your device meets the minimum requirements for running Roblox. If you've checked all of the above and you're still encountering error code 403, then it might be a problem on Roblox's end. In this case, the best course of action is to reach out to Roblox support for assistance. They'll be able to investigate further and provide you with personalized help. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Some quick and easy fixes for Roblox error code 403. Remember, troubleshooting technical issues like this can be frustrating, but with a little patience and know-how, you'll be back to playing your favorite games in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Roblox tips, tricks, and tutorials. Until next time, happy gaming.